Can a longtime partner of a decedent inherit as a spouse in California?
So a lot of times we'll have people who have been together for many, many years, maybe 30, 40 years, and yet they never legally married. And yet, for all intents and purposes, they considered themselves to be spouses, to be legally married, even though they weren't. What rights do they have when one of them passes away?
It's not very good. It's not good under California law. And so more than likely, they're not going to get anything. And think about it this way. There's a family home where they both have lived for the last 20 years as girlfriend and boyfriend, or however they establish their partnership. There's kids probably somewhere out there that maybe don't even come around all that much. The husband passes away, and the husband's kids now come and kick the other partner out of that house. They can sell it and keep it. And that partner comes and says, hey, we were going to get married a couple times. We even maybe, had some plans to go get married. They always told me they were going to do a will or trust. They never got around to doing it. They're just it's not going to be a good outcome, in my opinion, for that individual. That's why it's so important for these types of relationships to register in California, either as partners or to do proper estate planning to make sure that that partner is taken care of if, God forbid, somebody should pass away prematurely.
So what about common law marriage in California?
Well, there's no common law marriage in California, at least not under the case law. But the one thing that California does help out a little bit with is in the situations where you have those two partners that are together 20 years and one doesn't earn any money during that 20 years and they don't have the ability to earn money. If there's a breakup of that relationship and the earning partner kicks the non-earning partner out, there's a thing called palimony, and that comes from the Lee Marvin case. And so that's one thing that California can do for those partnership relationships. But in the death landscape, once somebody passes away, if you're not in their trust or will, that's it.
It's very difficult.
Or perhaps maybe they put you as a joint tenant on the house. Now that's a different story too.
But that's having a right as a joint tenant, not having a right as somebody's longtime partner.
That's right. Just because you're with somebody for 20 years and you haven't done any estate planning doesn't trump the laws, the intestacy laws.
Albertson and Davidson is here to help you fight for your inheritance. Check out aldavlaw.com for our complete library of helpful legal videos and articles from your favorite California trust and will litigation law firm, Albertson and Davidson, LLP.